Decorating Fanatic here. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Now I'm super excited to share with you a recipe that is super easy to make. And as you can see, I have a couple of tins on the table and we're going to fill them with something really yummy. So today we're going to make Italian wedding cookies. Now it only takes a few ingredients. They're super buttery and they melt in your mouth. Then I'm going to show you guys what's in my bag. So let's go ahead and take a look and see what I have inside the bag. Now this came from Hobby Lobby last year, and I believe I got this after Christmas on clearance for 70 or 80% off. Now it's a nice little glass serving tray, and it's shaped like a Christmas bulb. But I think what I would do with this, if I'm having a party, I would go ahead and put different little treats inside here. But I think this is going to be a neighbor gift. And I'm going to put different cookies, maybe some fudge, my little wedding cookies here. So this will really make a nice gift for somebody. Or I may even use it in my kitchen and have some treats for company that comes over. I have my large bowl here because I will be adding flour to it. Now I have 2 sticks of butter and a half a cup of powdered sugar. What I like to do is put my butter in the microwave for 15 seconds. Now that will make it nice and soft. So let's go ahead and combine our ingredients. Now we are adding 2 sticks of butter, which equal 1 cup, and I have a half a cup of powdered sugar. So let's go ahead and blend our ingredients together. We're going to go ahead and add 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, and you want to blend that real well. We're going to be using 1 3/4 cups of flour, so you want to slowly add your flour and mix that real well. Our last ingredient, 1 cup of pecans finely chopped. You can mix that with a spatula. Now we'll be ready to make little balls and put those on our cookie sheet. My cookies are all ready to go in the oven. Now I did preheat the oven to 350 degrees, and you want to bake these for 14 to 15 minutes. Well, my cookies are all done out of the oven and they're done cooling. Now what you want to do is you want to sprinkle some powdered sugar on them. And then I'm going to roll them around in the powdered sugar and coat them real well, and then they'll be ready to eat. I went ahead and put my cookies on the tray, and I went ahead and made a little buffalo check bow. I think that's super cute, and I put a little berry on there, and then I used hot glue to glue it on to the glass of my tray. And I also made some white chocolate chip cookies, and I think this is going to make a really nice gift for one of my neighbors. And until next time, happy decorating!